Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite events again. Fortnite events are usually live, one-time spectacles that captivate millions of players globally. Unfortunately, Epic Games does not provide an official in-game feature to replay these past events directly. However, the dedicated Fortnite community has developed several creative methods to allow players to relive these memorable moments. We'll explore these options, helping you dive back into the history of Fortnite's most iconic happenings. One popular method involves Fortnite Creative Mode. Talented community creators often meticulously rebuild past event experiences, sometimes with incredible accuracy. You can search for these recreations using keywords like event replay or the specific event's name within the Creative Hub. Additionally, if you were present for a live event, your game automatically saves a replay file. These files allow you to rewatch the event from your own perspective, offering a unique, personalized playback experience. For a broader view, YouTube is an invaluable resource. Thousands of content creators record and upload full Fortnite events, often from multiple angles and perspectives. A simple search for Fortnite event name full event will yield numerous results, allowing you to watch the entire spectacle. Furthermore, many dedicated Fortnite community archives and fan websites meticulously collect and host footage of past events, preserving these moments for everyone to enjoy and revisit at any time. Finally, some unofficial private servers and emulators attempt to recreate older versions of Fortnite, occasionally including past events. These are community-driven projects, not supported by Epic Games. While they can offer a unique way to experience historical content, it's crucial to understand that using unofficial methods carries potential risks, including security vulnerabilities or account issues. Always exercise caution and research thoroughly before engaging with such third-party solutions to ensure your safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.